I think they're ready. Yeah, there they are, getting ready. Oh, looking good, guys. Mark, I think that they're ready.
Are you ready to have some fun? Odd socks on, because the time has come.
Turn it up and sing along, because it's Andy and the band.
Hello everyone at home! We hope you're doing well. Now we know lots of you have been in touch, and although we can't play to hundreds of you all in one place, we're still going to play your favourite song from our new TV show! Yeah! So let's kick things off first of all with a message from one of our fans.
Hi Odd Socks, my name's Isla and I'm a huge fan. Please can you play Run Run Run?
Of course we can! Right everyone, get ready to run, run, run! Come on everybody! Get those arms and legs moving, here we go! When you see us run during the chorus, join in! Here we go! Run, 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 Eddie, run blue! Run, 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 Mossy Rio too! Run, 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 cause of Black run! Run, run, everybody run! If you can't let it go and you're gonna blow up, just take a minute, take a minute. If you're feeling low, low, low and you're getting wound up, wait a minute, wait a minute. If something don't feel good like it should, then hold up. Stop a minute, stop a minute. Don't despair, a problem shared won't build up. Don't lose it, 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 big stop. If you're gonna blow your top and get into a shop, then we ain't sticking around, you know. Run, 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 Eddie, run blue. Run, 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 Mossy Rio too. Run, 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 cause of Mac run. Run, run, everybody run!
Watch more on BBC iPlayer.